Hello friends, my name is सुहेल गदवाल. वेलकम टू माय चैनल गदवाल क्लासेस. आज हम देखने वाले हैं बेसिक ज्योमेट्रिकल कंसेप्ट्स. तो चलिए देर न करते हुए डायरेक्टली कंसेप्ट की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. वी हैव ऑलरेडी लिस्टेड डाउन हियर बेसिक ज्योमेट्रिकल कंसेप्ट्स. इन दैट फर्स्ट इज पॉइंट. व्हाट इज पॉइंट? Point is a small tiny dot. We can express this point through any letter, like we can say point A. Next is line segment. What is line segment? When we join two points, suppose the point, that is this point is B and point is C. When we join these 2 points, it becomes a line segment. This 2 point shows it is a fixed length. It has a fixed length. We can read this like segment BC or segment CB. Both are correct. Third one is line. When we extend this line segment like this, from both sides arrow, this 2 arrow shows it can extend endlessly in both direction. This line can be expressed through one letter and also through 2 points like D, E. We can also write this line L or line DE or line ED also. These all are correct. Next is ray. What is ray? Ray is it starts from one point and it goes unlimitedly, endlessly in one direction. This is suppose point F and this is G. We can write this ray as ray FG, but we cannot read this ray GF because it starts from point F and going through point G and going in direction G. So we can write this ray FG only. Okay. Next is concurrent lines. Concurrent lines means when 3 or more lines passing through a single point. These lines are called as concurrent lines, and the point through which these lines are passing, this called as point of concurrence. That is our next point, point of concurrence. Next is collinear points. 3 or more points lies in a same line like A, B, C, D. These all points are lies on the same line. These points are called as collinear points. And the points which are not lies on the same line like E, F, these points are called as non-collinear points. That is our next point. And the last one is parallel lines. When 2 lines never cross each other, when we extend these 2 lines in both direction, it never cross each other. This is called as parallel lines. Thank you.